Hey, it's Sam back here. Thanks for coming to this video now. I'm excited today to show you Challenges app. We've got a really special discount deal going on for Challenges app. And the reason I wanted to share this with you is that there's been a lot of buzz around challenges recently and a lot of people running challenges. And the technology out there, it really doesn't exist when it comes to running challenges. You'll notice that a lot of the guys that do challenges on a large scale, they either use really expensive software to do it, or they've got some sort of special deal or some sort of special access to get that software. It's not available to the public, or they're spending a lot of money on designers, developers, and all of that to make it all happen and put it all together. Well, we have a solution for doing all of that, the whole process, and it's called Challenges app. It's a software we developed last year that we've been using to generate leads and sell challenges in our business. It's a really cool tool. People that use the tool really love it. And what I decided to do is today I'd like to share a little bit about the major parts of the tool that you might find really useful if you're planning on doing this for clients of yours, or you're planning on doing this in your own business. And also I've got some really cool bonuses that will actually push into Challenges app for you. So if you haven't yet got access to Challenges app, you might have heard about it. This is something that when it came out was really, really popular, and still we have lots of new people joining every single month into this software. So let me show you on my computer now what the software does, how it works, and the interface. And if you'd like to get access, go down below. I'll be running a special deal until Sunday this week. And if you get in early, then you get in before Sunday, then there'll be a discount, and also you get all the bonuses as well. And that'll be really, really cool. So if you've been thinking about running challenges, or you've seen other people running challenges, you'd like to be able to do this yourself to generate leads or sales, I'll show you how right now. So this software is inside of a software called Member App, and it's basically gives you this interface here. And all you really need to know about this is that essentially you have your settings here, and you have everything you can do here, which is to schedule in your challenge event, and also when different videos will go live. The key with the challenge is that you're basically drip feeding or releasing content day to day for either 3 days, 7 days, it varies. I mean, it could be 1 day, it really doesn't matter. And this is the editing state here. And then you can click into design mode. One of the cool parts of this tool is you can instantly preview what your customers will see when they are accessing your challenge. So you can actually go through and you can actually view exactly what your attendees who are going to the challenge will actually see. And you can add a bunch of other things to this. You can add videos, you can add text, you can add questions, answers, you can start community discussions. This has everything that you would need for a challenge. And also it comes with a lot of different options for going out and selling or giving away your challenge to generate leads. So let's start from the very beginning, the dashboard. So basically when you create a campaign, you can create as many challenges as you want as part of that campaign. And we call this a course, but it's a challenge. And you'll see here I've created one. This is my name. This is the cover for the challenge. I've got 593 students in this challenge right now, and we've got 31 lessons throughout the challenge as well. This is, I think, a 7-day challenge we have here. We go into edit it, and you'll see that you can view all your students as they come through. You can add new students in here. You can manage students. You've also got a bunch of different options such as coupons, actions, payments, branding, where you can rebrand how everything looks, as well as general settings as well. Now, if we go back into here, when you want to actually create your challenge, it's one of the easiest things you can do. You can basically just go onto here, add a new section, and you can also add new lessons. You can add quizzes and assignments as well. So you can see that it's really easy. You just one-click add, and then from there, if you want to, you can duplicate those lessons, and you can always just drag and drop them anywhere you want. Drag and drop complete modules up and down, change the order of anything. So if you wanted to change the order like this, it's just as easy as doing that, and everything is updated in real time. This is a really nice software. Now, when you want to edit one of your modules, you'll see here, you can either upload a video, or you can add a video from YouTube that you've already got, or somewhere else, a URL, and then you can add your introduction. So I might say, for example, getting started, and just change the title of this right here. I can change the order of this as well. So if I wanted to change the order of anything inside of the actual challenge lesson, we'll call this itself, then I can do that. You've got a text editor here, so you can add whatever information you want to about this particular challenge. And then after that, you've got headline, line break, video, images, audio, text, different elements that you can add into here. And you can also add custom HTML elements. So if you want to paste in, for example, an image or a video or something else that requires HTML, You can do that within this software really, really easily, attach documents, and you can even include feedback surveys so you can get feedback about the challenge. Now, once you do that, then you go back, you go through into the next one. Excuse me, I'm still recovering from COVID. And then again, you can choose another video. If you want to choose a video, you can select which video you want to select. You've got your title here, you go through, you edit it, quick as anything. And then you can go and edit these. So once you've got a few of your challenger things done, then you can edit the thumbnail, so it shows up as a particular thumbnail. You can also edit drip feeding. So if I go over to settings here, I'm going through this quite quick, but you can edit how these are drip fed. So you can choose to drip feed by section or by lesson. So for example, if I was running a three-day challenge, usually I do by section. So I'd say section 1 drip feeds at this particular day, and then section 2 drip feeds at this particular day. So here it is here. I go up here. I go here and I click on this, and I'd say after 7 days of someone being in my challenge, this one comes out, or maybe it's on day 2, for example. You could say on day 2 this comes out, and you can basically just list all of the different videos you have for this challenge here as well for your clients or whoever you want to run. I've seen others that have done challenges recently, like Tony Robbins and Dean Graziosi. They did a challenge recently where they basically had all of the videos in one lesson, so it was like on one page. And to duplicate what they did, you just go into one lesson here. You'd edit it, add multiple videos, and then you click save. And when people go into your challenges area here, they can click through into that lesson. Then they can view all those videos that are there. So you can create the same thing that they created within this portal here. If you want to, you can activate community discussions. You've also got a checkout option here as well. So if you wanted to, say, for example, have a free registration, then you can grab your registration link. You can send this out. We generate a registration URL and also a form embed if you want to use it. And that basically comes up with this embed here. And if anyone comes through and registers, then they automatically get added to your challenge. And you can also sell this as well. So if you wanted to, say, for example, set a one-time price for this of $67, we'll actually go ahead and we'll generate that checkout URL for you. So again, you just go over here, you can paste that in, it's immediate, we generate it for you. You can even embed it. It's showing a server error right now, but it's because I haven't connected up my domain. If I was to connect up to my domain, just a matter of going through and grabbing that and it's done. And you can even have affiliates come on and promote as well. So this really has everything that you would need when it comes to running a challenge and doing this for clients really effectively as well. We've also included in there gamification. You can track your audience and your participants through your challenge as well. You can see how engaged they are, how active they are. You can go into the statistics here and see how many enrollments you've had and when they've enrolled as well, and how many every month are coming through. You can see individual student progress, and there's just so much in this. We worked really, really hard for about 2 years creating this platform, and it is the best out there when it comes to creating challenges. You will not find a better challenge software out there, not for under $1,000 anyway, that's anything close to this. And this will do everything that you want for challenges. It'll also create courses if you decide that you want to create, do courses through this. But the major reason we created this was to create challenges, really effective challenges that you can give away to generate leads or you can sell. So hopefully that gives you a good run through of everything that's in the package. On the sales page, we've got really in-depth videos showing you, everything you get access to in each one of those. And if you want to get access to this, there's been a lot of talk about this. I've had people ask me questions about challenges. So that's why I'm setting this out, because we've got a challenge creator. We've got a really effective software for it. And if you want to use it, then here it is. It's a one-time $67 price with a ton of bonuses as well, which will just add into your software as well, so you can start running them. This is our outsourcing challenge. This is one of the bonuses. This one isn't the actual one, but the actual one has all of the days populated, and basically every single day new content drips out to your audience after they've purchased this. So if you want to get access to this, go down right now. $67 one time. It's a great deal. You'll get a lot out of the software, and first client you sign on, you've made money. First couple of sales you make, you've made money. This is a no-brainer. So jump in if you haven't already. If you haven't got access to this already, get it. And I look forward to talking with you again soon. I hope this has been useful and you've enjoyed this video. It's been fun putting it on, and I look forward to talking with you more next week. So talk soon.